Hey everyone, welcome to the Gadget Pros. If your PC has been running slow lately and you've noticed high HDD usage in Task Manager, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps you can take to fix high disk usage, optimize performance, and get your system running smoothly again. Let's start by checking what's running in the background. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Head to the Startup tab and disable any programs that you don't need loading up when Windows starts. These programs can unnecessarily consume system resources and slow down your HDD. For better performance, switch to a high-performance power plan. Go to Control Panel, Power Options, and select High Performance to give your system a little more speed. Now, let's disable some background apps that can use unnecessary resources. Go to Settings, then Privacy, then Background Apps. Here you can toggle off apps that run in the background without your direct interaction. This will free up resources and help reduce disk usage. Turning off unnecessary background apps can give your HDD some breathing room, especially when you're not using them. Now let's clean up some temporary files that can build up over time. Press Win plus R, type temp, and hit Enter. Delete all the files in that folder. Then repeat the process for %temp and prefetch. These files don't serve any purpose and can take up unnecessary space on your disk. Next, we'll disable some services that can use up system resources. Press Win plus R again, type services.msc, and hit Enter. In the list of services, look for Windows Search, System Main, and Connected User Experience and Telemetry. You can disable them temporarily to reduce disk usage. Remember, be cautious when disabling services. Only turn off the ones you're sure you don't need. Next, let's run Disk Cleanup to free up space. Open Disk Cleanup and select your C:drive. Click OK and the tool will scan for unnecessary files. Select the files you want to delete, like temporary files, thumbnails, and the recycle bin. Now let's check for disk errors. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type chkdskc:/f/r to check and repair your disk. You might need to restart your computer for this to take effect, so be patient. Corrupted system files can also contribute to high disk usage. Open command prompt as admin and type sfc/scannow to repair system files. After that, run dsm/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix any image issues. Sometimes high disk usage is caused by hidden malware or potentially unwanted software running in the background. To be safe, let's run a Microsoft Defender offline scan. This tool reboots your PC and scans for threats before Windows fully loads, which means even the most malware has nowhere to hide. If anything harmful is detected, Defender will remove it automatically, helping reduce background processes and disk load. Disable automatic updates. Press Win+R, type services.msc, press Enter, scroll down to Windows Update, right-click and choose Properties, set startup type to manual or disabled. Click Apply and OK. This is especially useful if updates are causing unexpected slowdowns or eating up your disk in the background. Just be sure to check for updates manually once in a while to stay protected. Let's now adjust your system for best performance. Press Win+R, type sysdm.cpl, and hit Enter to open System Properties. Go to the Advanced tab and click on Settings under Performance. In the Performance Options window, select Adjust for best performance. This will turn off animations, visual effects, and other eye-candy features that can consume system resources and slow down your PC. If you don't want to turn off everything, you can manually select which effects to disable. But adjusting for best performance will give you the fastest experience. Now, let's optimize your disk. If you're using an HDD, go ahead and defrag it. Press Win+R, type DFRGUI, and click Optimize. For SSDs, skip defragging. Finally, run check for updates in Windows. Update. Open the Start menu. Go to Settings. Then Windows Update. Then click Check for updates. Manually checking for Windows updates ensures that you have the latest security patches, bug fixes, and driver updates. And that's it. By following these steps, you should notice a significant reduction in high disk usage and a faster, more stable system. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more PC optimization tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other issues you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.